Today is November the 5th, 2018, and we are ready for Sock Wars, aren't we, Maverick? Okay, here we go. Sock Wars, Part 1. Okay, I don't know. You think these dogs are ready for Sock Wars? Maybe they're not. Maybe they need to get more excited. Woo! Get excited. Come on, get excited. Woo! This is excitement. Okay, this is excitement in a dog's life anyway. Ow! Stop biting my foot. Stop. Okay, Rufus, here. Come on, get it. Good dog. Good dog. There we go. Up. Rufus won there. Look at that. Oh, we're getting wild now. See that Rufus slip? Rufus, the marvelous wonder, is winning this one. He got him into home base. Up. Looks to me like Rufus won. Did Rufus won, Maverick? Okay. Rufus is the winner. Part 1. Up. Maverick came back. Nope. Maverick did not come back. All right, Maverick, say bye.